Wood floors can creak and be noisy, which can be particularly annoying in multi-story homes or apartments. Here has 3 tips for you. Tips 1. Use a soundproofing underlayment to reduce noise transmission. Tips 2. Ensure nails and staples are properly fastened to avoid movement that can cause noise. Tips 3. Consider using Cork or Foam Underlay beneath the wood flooring for added sound insulation and comfort. Addressing these pain points with the appropriate tips can help ensure a smoother wood flooring installation process and a more durable, attractive result.